Metairie, Louisiana, is a vibrant community known for its rich culture and scenic beauty. But when it comes to maintaining a home, the unpredictable weather patterns can significantly impact the decisions homeowners make, especially when it comes to replacing windows. Understanding how the local climate influences window replacement choices can help you make informed decisions about your home's maintenance and long-term comfort. The impact of humidity. One of the most notable weather factors in Metairie is the humidity. Louisiana's humid subtropical climate means that high levels of moisture are a regular occurrence throughout the year. This excess moisture can wreak havoc on windows, particularly older ones that may have been poorly sealed or made from less durable materials. Wooden window frames, for instance, are particularly vulnerable to warping, swelling, and rotting under these damp conditions. As such, homeowners in Metairie often find themselves needing to replace windows that have been compromised by humidity. Choosing the right materials for window replacement becomes crucial. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, which are resistant to moisture damage, are popular options for residents looking to combat the effects of humidity. These materials don't absorb moisture, preventing the expansion and contraction that leads to long-term damage. If you live in an area with high humidity, it's wise to consider windows that can withstand these conditions, ensuring that your new investment lasts for years. Extreme temperatures and energy efficiency. Metairie experiences hot, muggy summers and mild winters. While the winters may not be as harsh as in other parts of the country, the sweltering summer temperatures can strain a home's cooling system. If your windows are old or inefficient, they may allow heat to escape in the winter and flood your home with heat in the summer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows are a must in Metairie, where the high heat demands effective climate control. Modern windows with double or triple glazing can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The energy-efficient features, such as low-E coatings, can block out heat while allowing natural light in, reducing the need for air conditioning during hot months and saving on energy costs in the long run. During the hottest months, many Metairie residents replace windows to enhance their home's insulation and reduce the load on their HVAC systems. If you're considering replacing your windows, it's essential to look for features like argon gas-filled spaces between panes, which increase insulation and reduce the heat transfer, offering better comfort and energy savings year-round. Hurricanes and storm protection. Another significant consideration for Metairie homeowners is the threat of hurricanes and tropical storms. Louisiana's coastal proximity makes it vulnerable to severe weather, and Metairie is no exception. Strong winds, heavy rain, and the risk of flooding during these storms can damage windows, compromising the safety and security of your home. When replacing windows in Metairie, it's important to choose storm-resistant options. Impact-resistant windows, which are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, are an excellent choice for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas. These windows often feature laminated glass, which helps prevent shattering during storms, keeping the interior of your home safe from wind and water damage. Additionally, Impact-resistant windows often come with added security benefits. They can provide an extra layer of protection against break-ins and offer peace of mind, knowing that your home is better equipped to withstand a storm's fury. Rain and flooding considerations. While hurricanes are a direct threat to the area, Metairie also deals with heavy rain, which can cause localized flooding. Windows that are not properly sealed or are aging can allow water to seep inside, leading to potential water damage and mold growth. To prevent this, homeowners often choose to replace older windows with modern ones designed to provide a better seal against the elements. Properly installed, high-quality windows help keep water out and protect the interior of your home from the damaging effects of flooding. Conclusion. Weather plays a significant role in determining when and how homeowners in Metairie approach window replacement. From the relentless humidity and high summer temperatures to the threat of hurricanes and flooding, local weather conditions demand windows that offer durability, energy efficiency, and protection. Whether you're dealing with the constant moisture of the Gulf Coast or preparing for the next hurricane season, investing in high-quality windows designed to handle Metairie's unique weather challenges will keep your home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient for years to come.